Do you want to add wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto to your 2007 to 2008 Lexus GS? The Hamilton Upgrade Kit is here. We're going to have a full installation video as well as a really important pairing and setup video that shows you how to configure everything. This system is awesome. It's going to make this timeless vehicle feel a lot newer. Now, these older screens, they do have limitations, and installing the Hamilton Upgrade Kit won't fix a faulty factory head unit. It also won't make your physical touchscreen brand new, but it will allow you to be able to stream music from your phone and show beautiful CarPlay and Android Auto on this factory screen, and it's really not that bad of quality. It feels like a much newer screen once you put CarPlay on it. So here it is, check it out. Long holding the voice speech button will allow you to switch between the original system and this factory system. If you want to switch back to the Hamilton system, you need to be on this menu page, and then you can long hold that voice speech button and come back to CarPlay. Touching climate will bring up your factory climate page. Audio will bring up your factory audio page. For this car, we're going to be using aux mode, which means your phone is streaming audio through to the Hamilton Upgrade Kit, and it's grabbed the aux line behind the radio, functioning like an iPod. We'll touch that menu button, and we're right back in CarPlay. If you touch that menu button and you see that you're back on the original menu, just long hold the voice speech button and you'll come right back to CarPlay. Here it is. You can see that we can swipe back and forth. This is a split screen view here. And you've got your navigation showing next to your music. Triggering the voice speech button quickly will prompt Siri. Hey Siri, how's the weather in Raleigh, North Carolina?
It's currently cloudy and 70 degrees. Today's high was 72 and the low will be 49.
We're going to have tech support available at 919-858-2890. These guys are super talented and they're here to help with any questions that you might have. And we back all of our systems with a really quality warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee. You can check out those warranty options on the product page. Full warranty details are in our warranty page on the website. Apps with a CarPlay component will automatically show up here in CarPlay. So you can see it's super cool. Any app that has a CarPlay component will automatically appear. This device is not going to support streaming, so you can't do streaming on the device. You can listen to the factory radio while CarPlay is showing, but Siri can't talk into your factory radio channels. So if you're playing FM and Siri is speaking, you're not going to hear her giving you those directions. However, if you're streaming music from something like Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, Pandora, or another music app, Siri will be able to talk into those channels, so you'll hear those directions. The factory backup camera is going to be fully preserved. You can see it here. This device is only going to support cars that had factory navigation, so you need to make sure that you have this factory map button up here for it to support your car. And the other thing is you need to make sure that your phone is not going to be far away in some bag, or that you're sitting on your phone. It's going to need to be in your center console out in the open somewhere so that it can connect to the device wirelessly. Sometimes these old Lexus vehicles especially have a lot of metal back here that can interfere with the connection if your phone is in a faraway place. So these are very important things to note. We design all of our products here in Raleigh, North Carolina. We've got our own in-house engineering team, and we're confident that our CarPlay solutions are some of the very best on the market. We'd be delighted to earn your business. If you have any questions, give us a call at 919-858-2890. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company. Be sure to watch our pairing and setup video.